Welcome! If you've been missing collaboration invites on Instagram or just want to make sure you never miss one again, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update on PC, managing your notification settings is easier than ever. And I'll walk you through exactly how to turn on notifications for collaboration invites step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any interruptions. Once you're inside the app, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up the main menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls for your account, including privacy, security, and notifications. Now that you're in Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly what alerts you want to receive and how often you get them. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where you control real-time alerts that Instagram sends you, including collaboration requests. Scroll through the options until you find Collaboration Invites. Once you see it, select the option labeled On. This ensures that anytime someone invites you to collaborate on a post or project, you'll get notified instantly.